What's going on, guys? Camsick TV here. Today we're going to be working on Project Gramps over here, replacing the two front struts assembly. And yeah, I'll show you guys what to do. It's pretty straightforward, really. So yeah, with no further ado, let's go.
First thing is you need a jack stands extension, wheel lock diagram, socket set for your wheels, 14mm bolts on top here. I believe it's a 19mm or a 17mm for the bottom struts. First thing you want to do on the floor, you chop your wheels in the back so they're lifted up, it doesn't roll back on you. And then break loose these wheels while it's on the floor and make it easier if you don't have an impact gun. I do, but I'm just showing you the old-fashioned way. And then from there we can get the wheels off, support the front end, and start removing some stuff. Alright, basically, I know I have you guys on time lapse. I'm just trying to get this thing done before the rain gets here. But basically what you have to do is take 7/8, a wrench and a socket, release these. There's a 12mm hardware socket bolt for this brake line right here. Then you're going to need a punch and a mallet to get these screws out. When you get these out, be very careful about the knuckle falling back on you, because one, you've got your CV axle there. You do not want it ripping or uncoupling from the boot back there or up here. That will be a bad day. So try to be very careful, bring it over, or pop it over there and try to keep it that way. Once you got this loose, it's going to start swinging. On top, there's 1, 2, 3 14mm bolts. You take the 14mm bolts out, and whoop, put the new one in, and vice versa. So let's put you guys back on speed laps. Time.